Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tuna sandwich for lunch. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. For extra crunch and flavor, consider adding finely diced celery, onion, or sweet pickle relish. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious meal in minutes. Now let's prepare the tuna salad. Open your can of tuna and drain it very well. This prevents a soggy sandwich. Transfer the drained tuna to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or more to your liking and gently mix until everything is well combined. If you're using celery, onion, or relish, now is the time to fold them in for that perfect texture and taste. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. Take 1 slice of bread and spread the tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. Don't overload it, but make sure there's a good amount for every bite. Carefully place the second slice of bread on top. For a classic touch, you can cut your sandwich diagonally or simply straight across. Enjoy your perfectly crafted lunch. Making a tuna sandwich is simple, but there's always room for customization. Try different breads, like a hearty whole wheat or a tangy sourdough, to change the experience. Add a slice of cheese, fresh lettuce, or a ripe tomato for extra texture and taste. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Enjoy your personalized, satisfying tuna sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.